the karma. You better run, 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 yeah, it's coming your way. I bring the karma. You better run, run, yeah, that bitch don't play.
Hey guys, here with another game, and this one I might make another video of because it looks interesting to me. Like, this one is cute. Look at the kitty. Look at the cat. But all I know is that it says Catbird, and I did not look at any of the pictures or videos or anything, so let's just get right into it. Definitely tell it's old-timer game though, like it's not very graphic. It's all pixel. What? I'm just watching, sorry if I'm not talking. Oh. He fell off his planet! Oh my god. Oh! What the heck just happened? Oh. Okay, jump, side, side. Oh, that's actually not too bad. Oh my god! It just sucked him in. What? This is so cool! He has wings! Oh! What? I got it. Okay, I'm about to get up there and grab that crowd. Bam! Alright. Oh, what am I supposed to do? I'm stuck. Oh. Okay, I got. So I'm not very tired. I'm trying to get myself up there. There we go. Bam! Oh, it just sucks her right in. I don't even know if it is a hurt. Alright, so I'm gonna go out this way. Wow, that just smacked. Alright. I'm gonna go. Whoa! Oh, it's gonna stop walking. Nope! Didn't make it. I see what the box is for now. Alright. So that box I gotta take with me. Whoa. Take the box with you. Oh, I almost pushed it. No! I didn't make it. Alright, I'm gonna make it. I'm not giving up. Come on, kitty, push it. Push it. I can ride it? No, that's not happening. Okay, I get it. So we need to get this. I don't see how that's possible. Oh, yes. No, I don't. I don't see it. Alright, so I can jump that high. Let's see if I can go over and grab this other box here. What? Oh, that's so close. Are you serious? Oh, it's so close. So that shows me I can't. Alright. So I'm just gonna push this all the way into it. Then they're gonna fly. No! Alright, so I have to beat it just to get to the other one. So I can't skip Wait, what if I... Hold on, can I restart this? No, I can't. I see that I can't. Wow! I just died instantly. Okay. That ain't gonna move. Alright, so there was no point of doing that. Alright. So we're gonna take this up. We're gonna take this again. We're gonna try. Yes! Yes! Alright. Alright, so I almost died just sitting there. Alright, so that's a... Okay, then. Alright. Now. Here we go. What does this button do? I don't see it do anything. Well, that's another fail. There we go. Well, okay. Fox! Fox, go! Go! Oh my god. Alright, go. Now. 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 Go! Go! No! 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 Oh my god! Oh, that is like rushing. Ah! Oh, that was like rushing that one piece. I don't like it. What? Oh my god. Now. Oh. Oh, that was so close. Now. What? There's a thing up there. I got it. Okay. Wow, this is like rushing. Okay. This whole game is awesome. Got a cat head. Alright, so next place. This one looks... What? Holy crap! And... go now. Oh, oh my god! Oh, master! Alright, so I gotta go up here. How do I go back down? There's the key. What? Oh! What? Well, shit. Alright. Now. There we go. There we go. What? I did this the first try and I can't get it. There we go. Okay, so I need to go back up, grab the key, and I don't know where to go after that. But I'll figure it out. Alright. So I'm gonna hop up here. Glide. Glide again, grab the key. Hop down. Oh! Alright, so door's open. Bam! Whoa. Gotta play this sucker smart. Yeah. Woo. All right. I love that one. That was cool. Oh, no. All right. Oh. Okay, I made it. Okay. Now I need to go up here and go on the elevator. Elevator! What's that? Oh, I know what that is. Oh, it's a checkpoint! I got checkpoints? Oh, it's good I can't die from fall. What? How the hell am I supposed to get there? You know what? Screw the crown. I'm not going for the crown this time. Go up here. Go in here. Now I'm gonna wait. Now. Oh god. Oh. Woo! Yeah, but I don't want to leave the crown behind. Well, alright, that was a horrible decision. Alright. Oh! What? Alright, I should just definitely leave the crown. I didn't even make it down here, which is sad. Alright. Whoa! More! I'm just gonna leave before I get killed. Alright. Next. What? What the flip? It's awesome! Boing, boing, boing. I don't need wings. Okay, I see where that came in. Alright, so let's just go up here and bounce. Yeah. Bouncing is fun. Wow! I always forget those drops. There we go. Okay, I'm silent on most of this. Because I'm trying to focus on it. Oh, I see where that came in. Woo! That was so cool! And I missed the crown that time, suckers. What the flip was that? I just saw him run. Oh! What? Oh my god! Bam! Alright. So I know it's gonna come here. Hop. Hop. That was dangerous. There we go. He was like gonna come over and crush me. Damn, this kitty is like desperate to get home. I don't even get the gist. Ah! So I know those spikes are gonna drop. So I need to haul ass. Ah! Alright. Ha! You can't get me. Ha! Sucker. Suck it. Wait, what? I have to go that way? Oh! I forgot about those ones. Oh, what? Okay. So I'm gonna choose one way. I did it! Wait, what? There's another key? Ah! That sucks! I'm doing this side first. Wow, dude. Holy shit. Alright. Alright. I gotta get over here and just get this guy woken up. Alright. So. Same as before. Haha! Sucker! Oh! How many levels is there? Holy shit, he just wants to get home. Oh, holy fuck. What the flip? Oh my god. Ah! Now, I'm gonna try... Ow. That didn't work. Alright, so... I've had 24 deaths? Jesus Christ. Alright. Wow! This is bull. What?! Oh my flipping god! Alright. I got this. Can't get by it. This one is impossible. I swear to God. Okay. Okay, I had to focus. And bam! Oh! Really? That's it? What the flip? That kinda makes me mad that to travel all the way. This is a long way. Okay, I'm gonna make myself some drop downs. Oh. Bam! Whoa, 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 whoa! No! I jumped around. Alright, so I'm gonna try this one more time, and then next time I'll be playing this again. So, don't worry about that. Ready? There we go. Oh my god! I'm gonna pass this one. That's when I'm leaving. Are you serious? Again? Okay. Boing. Wait. Okay, now go. No, don't go! Don't go! Oh. No, don't go! God damn it! I'm gonna pass this one no matter what. I already got that part down pat. Alright, now. What? Are you serious? You're not gonna take me on. No! No! I'm trapped in this continuous form. No! I almost fell off. Get you. Looks like a bat. Oh my god! No! I might just end it with this one. Okay, we're gonna go home. Wait, really? Is it? Okay, no, this is for where? Oh. I'm gonna stop here. And I'll see you all next time. Literally. This is hard as heck. That one is. So, I'll see ya next time, like I just said. Sorry I'm repeating things. Have fun.
To the past, owes a penance. People's hope is his vengeance. When the sun fades from the sky, through the black shines a beacon right at home.